been told, simple things are never what they seem. After the play,